back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I just got 2 packages delivered today, and it's my Aaliyah for Mac stuff. So yeah, the Macy's one, yeah, I think I mentioned that I did order the rest of the collection through Macy's after I went to the actual Mac store and bought some of it. And then this package is, guess what? I actually got the vault box, and I was able to order it after I already paid for everything individually. Oh shit, it's raining! Ah! Pretty baby. Coda, why did Coda just go back outside? It's raining, fool! Okay. So basically, I have to turn that down. Coda! See, Coda goes crazy when it's getting a thunderstorm. We gotta bring him in the house because he'll just run around going crazy. Oh my gosh. Coda, come here! Coda! Coda! Alright, Coda, come on. Before it starts raining too hard. Let's go. Alright, starting to rain. Come on! I don't want you smelling like wet dog. Let's go! Uh-oh. Come on! Oh my gosh. So here's some behind the scenes of filming a SeanaSparkle freaking video, okay? So, look at this. Just spilled this freaking nail polish because I went to pick it up, not realizing this one right here, this peach one that I've been wearing, because I was going to just like paint my nail because one of my nails came off. I don't know where it went, because if I could find it, I'll just glue it back on. But you know, I'm trying to film this video and I don't want my nails looking like that, so I was just gonna paint it real quick. Why is this blurry? Yeah, well, I don't know why I can't focus it, but whatever. I was gonna paint it, and then I guess I must have started to, then I stopped to do something else, not realizing that the top was loose. It came off, it fell, and splattered all over the place. So that's just freaking great. I just have to try to wipe that up. You know, it is 3 in the morning, so I'm trying to film the video of unboxing my Aaliyah vault box. Okay, I still haven't really opened it. I mean, I just opened like the box, like the cardboard, you know, the box it was shipped in, but I haven't really taken anything out yet. That's what I'm trying to do for the video, okay? That's what I'm trying to do for the video. And then I filmed a reaction video. Everything's a mess. I'm drinking some iced coffee. I just filmed a reaction video. So over there, I filmed a video to X's new video, Sad. So that's over there rendering while I'm trying to over here film. And yes, things are like, yeah. Yeah, so this is how it's going down behind the scenes, okay? Yeah, just fucking shit up. Hey guys. I just be making crazy faces. So today is Monday. So I'm probably just gonna do this week's vlog up till today, since I don't think I've vlogged that much throughout the week this time. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just getting ready to go do some Uber Eats deliveries for a little bit, and then when I come back, I think I want to, well, I'm going to wash my hair, and then I want to do braids, box braids. I have hair, I still have that easy braid hair. If you watch some of my hair tutorials, I did a couple of hair tutorials using this, where I did like big braids. So I still have that hair, and for a while I've been wanting to do box braids and stuff, because you know, box braids are just kind of just been in right now. And plus I just kind of like, I don't know, I'm just getting tired of trying to do something with my hair. It's too hot. I straightened it, but I can't keep it straight. That's why it's up in this bun, and I put a headband over so I don't have to worry about trying to style my my edges. I mean, I just did my baby hairs, but I mean, like, my edges are all puffy from, you know, and I don't want to keep straightening it. So I can't even keep it straight. And, you know, like, I wanted to do some, like, Aaliyah hair tutorial, or not hair tutorials, but, like, I was going to do some Aaliyah, like, looks, like, makeup looks with the new collection. And, you know, I want to do, like, the full, like, Aaliyah look and everything and have my hair straightened. But, yeah, I can't do it. I can't keep flat ironing it. Like, it keeps puffing up. So I'm just going to have to do braids. So hopefully I can still give off an Aaliyah look vibe even with braids. I know Aaliyah didn't really rock braids. I think I have seen some pictures where she had braids in, but it wasn't like, you know, she didn't do braids all the time like that, you know, like she never really did it as part of like her style, or what, you know, like when she's doing like, you know, like she never wore braids in any of her videos or performances or nothing like that. She might have worn them like when she was more like, yeah, I don't know, but I've seen picture with her, like I actually searched and found some pictures. So she has worn braids before, but it wasn't like, yeah, she hardly ever really wore that many different hairstyles. That was the one thing, like her main signature look was the long straight hair. I mean, she's had like wavier hair. I mean, she had wavy, you know, especially in her newer, especially during her last album. I think is probably when she started really experimenting more with looks as far as her hair, like how in the More Than a Woman video she had the really long sleek hair with middle part, and then she did the ponytail. And even like in the Rock the Boat video, she had like waves and stuff, and you know, so you know, she was kind of starting to get more versatile with her hairstyles, I think. But anyways, I'm just saying, if I do some Aaliyah looks, it's possible I may have braids in when I do them. So yeah, oh well. Anyways, all right. Oh, so one of the things I was gonna talk about real quick was about the yeah, as far as getting the Mac collection. So this is what happened, right? So like I said, I showed you another day that I just got a package. It's the vault box plus the other makeup I ordered online, which I think I showed that in a vlog, right? Like, well, you probably saw it in the earlier vlog. Originally, I wanted the vault box. Like, once I found out they were coming out with the vault box, the collector's box, that's what I wanted to get, but then they sold out so quickly online. I didn't have the money yet to buy it anyway. I had to like wait like the next day or whatever. But even then, it was like they still like, and then they did relaunch it on Macy's and Nordstrom, but it still sold out. I didn't have the money yet. So then after that, that was it. They was not launching anymore. And then the only other option is finding it in an actual Mac store. And you can only get it like in a standalone Mac store, not like a Mac store that's like a, you know, a part of Macy's or like any department store. So I don't know, like by then, like, okay, so it was Friday. I was just probably feeling like, I don't know, like there's only like a few or a couple standalone Mac stores I can think of in Orlando, and I was like, oh, they're probably like, I don't know, like I just kind of figured that they would definitely have been sold out by now, like if they had them, because, and then I was hearing that the vault boxes that like each Mac store that had them, they only got like a few of them, like only like 4 or something. So I'm like, oh, it's like been like over a day, like I'm sure they're sold out by now. Like I didn't want to have to drive a bit of ways into Orlando to get it, so I don't know, I just assumed they would be sold out, I guess. I know I could have tried to call and find out, but I don't know, I was just thinking, oh, like it's sold out. So I just went ahead, I was like, I don't know, because I just felt like I just wanted to hurry up and get it, like, and I just felt like, and the individual pieces were going to be sold out because they were already starting to sell out in the individual pieces on the Mac website too. So I don't know, I just felt like I had to hurry up and get it, I guess. So I just like ran to like one of my closest malls and bought it. And I did ask about the vault box, but they said they didn't have it. I knew they wouldn't, but so I just went ahead and started buying, but I bought only half of it because I knew that like if you order like $75 if you purchase like $75 of the makeup online, like on, I think on Nordstrom and Macy's, you will get the bandana. So I thought, well, I can at least get the bandana, make something. So yeah, I just bought like a few of the products from the Mac store just to have something, like, and then when I went home that night, I ordered the rest of what I didn't have on the Macy's website, and you know, I get the bandana. So then it was like the next day, okay, so then the next day, right, I'm on Instagram. I think it was like the Aaliyah for Mac, yeah, the Aaliyah for, you know, the Aaliyah for Mac Instagram page. You know, they repost like people's stuff that had to do with the Aaliyah collection, and they reposted a picture, and the caption said Mac store, at the Mac store at Disney Springs. It was like a little girl holding the vault box, and it said, it tagged, you know, Mac store at Disney Springs. I was like, wait, the Mac store at Disney Springs, I didn't even know that they had an Instagram, but I was like, oh, so they had vault boxes at the Disney Springs one. I was like, oh, see, and I kind of thought about calling them, but I just kind of felt like, yeah, if they had something, they'd be sold out by now. So I go to their page, I read their caption. They actually said they had 4 left, and then that was like, but it was 24 hours ago. So by the time I saw this post, it was a Saturday night, like probably around like 11 or 12, which means that they probably posted that just before they closed Friday night. So like so basically I could have went to all the way to Disney Springs, which I mean it's quite a bit of ways, but you know, hey, I could have drove all the way to Disney Springs and got the vault box. If I had like thought about calling them to find out, I would have found it and could have drove there and got one. But I just didn't think of doing that. So, but they were saying, and then they posted, said that they had like 3 left. So I was like, oh my gosh. So then I sent them a DM like, do you still have any more vault boxes? But then at the same time, it's like, I already bought the whole collection and now I'm broke. So like, how the hell am I gonna, like, you know, like, even if I go return the stuff, like, that's gonna take a while to get the money back. And plus, like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, so I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I was just like, oh my gosh, like, we're trying to figure out what can I do, like, how can I work this out? But I don't know. And then like the next day, like, they did get back to me. They're like, oh yeah, we still have like 2 left, and you know, like call us, we can ship one to you. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So then I was like trying to figure out, like, the only way I can think of is if I can get the money from somebody that can like give it to me like immediately right now, and then I can just pay them back. So basically I ended up asking my dad, you know, I told my dad like I'll pay him back, and then yeah, so he agreed to do it. So yeah, shout out to my dad, because my dad will come through for me if he can. And so, but then guess what? When I went to call them back, they were sold out. So then I was staying up like all night searching, trying to figure out, well, how would I find out, like, maybe there's like another store somewhere, but how would I find that out? Like, it would take forever to like actually call like every single Mac store in the world. Like, I was like even looking, like, maybe there's a Mac store in California somewhere, I don't know. And then the only other option was like eBay. Of course, they're on eBay already. Like, people are selling them on eBay for like $400, $500. Like, the cheapest is probably like $300, and then some people, like, they have them for like where you can bid on it, which maybe that's a chance you can get it for like almost as close as the price of the original, because they have like the bidding starting at like, you know, some people have the bidding starting at like 200. So, and then it's like, yeah. So I don't know, I was almost even considering doing that. Only thing is, I just don't like the thought that like it doesn't feel like it's mine or something. It feels like it actually is, like it belongs to somebody else, and then like it belonged to somebody else first, and they touched it and breathed on it first, and like it's not the same as getting it like fresh from the actual like Mac store. I don't know. So that's what I prefer. But then I ended up staying up all night, and I thought, you know what, well, I found out that they had the vault boxes at Disney Springs Mac store because I saw on Instagram. They have an Instagram. So what I did is I started searching like different Mac store Instagrams, like looking up like different cities, and then like type like Mac and then that city, because that's usually like if they have a Instagram, it would be like Mac and the name of the city or even the name of the mall that they're in. So that's just basically what I was doing. I was doing that like all night, typing in different Mac stores Instagrams, and then looking at their pages to see if they show that they had the because most of them, if they did have the vault boxes, if they were one of the Mac stores that was lucky to get the vault boxes for sale, they usually posted them on their Instagram, and some of them even will mention like if they still have some left. So basically I was looking for any store that posted that they had vault boxes, and I was DMing, do you still have any vaults? Do you have any vault boxes? And then finally I found one. I was searching for like stores like even in California and everything, hoping maybe if they had one they would ship it to me. Then finally I came back to Florida. I found one like at a mall near Miami. Yeah, so when I went to their Instagram, they had a post showing that they had the vault box, but the post was from like 4 days ago, so I was like, man. But then like I was looking at the comments, and then they were like responding to somebody else's comment that was saying like, oh, we still have like a couple sets left. And then I noticed that that comment was only from like 9 hours ago. So at the time, like, okay, this is like 7 in the morning on a, what was it, like Monday morning. Okay, so which means if it was 9 hours ago, that was like the night before, like probably before they closed or something, like Sunday night. So if they had a couple sets like 9 hours ago, they probably still have them. So when I saw that, I was so excited, and I was like, okay, I'm calling them first thing in the morning when they open. I was like, okay, what time do they open? They open at 10 a.m. I was like, I had my alarm set. I'm calling them at 10 a.m. and that's exactly what I did. Yup, you know, the girl that helped me, she was really nice. She shipped me the box, and like, yeah, and I got it, basically got it like right the next day. So yeah, I ended up with the vault box after all. But of course, you know, I'm broke, so I'm like trying to like pay my dad back and everything, but I got my vault box. Okay, so yeah, I'm just like happy that, you know, I got it. And but yeah, so that's how I was looking. So I mean, there's like still hard, I mean, some stores might even still have some, but at this point, I don't know if you wanted a vault box. I mean, it's like it sucks though, like for people that, you know, like not everybody gets paid or has like the money like immediately the day that it launched. Like if people that really want the Aaliyah collection, not everybody can buy it. So if somebody wanted the vault box but say they don't get paid till like, I don't know, days later, it's like you don't even have a chance, you know. It's, yeah. So but it's like, dang, that's why I was hoping, like, why couldn't they just like relaunch them, like, or restock them again like days later, or maybe like the next week or something too? That kind of like gives people a chance, like, I don't know. But no, they was not restock, not online, they was not restocking shit. So I don't know. But if you're looking for one, but I don't know, all I could say is if you wanted one and you're looking for one, keep searching. You might have to call like every Mac store, search all their Instagrams, everything. I don't know. Otherwise, I don't know, there's eBay, but yeah. Alright, so anyways, yeah, so that's my story of how I ended up with the vault box. And yeah, I have a haul coming soon, or it might even be up before I post this video, hopefully, I don't know. But my haul or unboxing of the Aaliyah vault box. And of course I want to do like some makeup tutorials, or some of Aaliyah's makeup looks, like see what kind of some of her looks, see what looks of hers that I can create using like the collection. So I want to play around. I still haven't played around with that yet, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And yeah, but anyways, yep, so see you in another video. Bye, peace.
My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.